Our puja preparation staff will take all the details from our chief priest and they will select the sheet according to the client problems. The Sankalpa sheet is filled with the custom client details and their photos and their problems are written in Tamil translated from Sanskrit. Once the Sankalpa is written, our priest will take the Sankalpa elaborately with each and every detail. We never take a general Sankalpa like temples. We only take a specific to the point Sankalpa and all our pujas are done individually. Avahanam. Avahanam is the next part after the Sankalpa is taken. Just like how we welcome our guests into our home and take care of them, Avaganam is the process of invocation of Devata into the Shila, taking care of the Devata. Then we chant 108 names of each and every Devata to whom Avahanam is done. This is 108 Ashtotara Puja is never done in any temple, but we chant this 108 names of God for every puja and it is done properly without any compromise. Then we show the agarbatti, the dhupam lamp, the deepam and offer the exact naivedya which is used for Pada Puja to the gods. Naivedya at the end of puja we light champer and show the arati for all the gods where the arati is passed to the client and the client players. Then after the Pada Puja is done, the Vatyar will prepare for the Pada Puja and arrange a chair, big plate, garland mala, plate with chandan, kumkum, etc., flowers in a basket, Ashtotara book and other things. The people who have been invited to participate in the Pada Puja as Devatas come in and sit in the plate. Then they will wear the garland and we will chant the 7 Bija Mandarams to open the chakras and to follow the divine energy. Then Pada Puja will start with the Sankalpa. Again the Sankalpa is taken with the client name, Gotra, Nakshatra, Rasi. And then their problems will included in their Sankalpa. An elaborate Sankalpa will taken. Once the Sankalpa is finished, we do the Avahanam. The invocation which includes washing their feet, giving water, chandan, kumkum to them and we do Pada Alankaram from them. After the invocation is done, we do the 108 Ashtotara Puja to the Pada and we offer flowers for the Pada along with 108 chant. Once the puja is done, we show agarbatti, the dhupam lamp, the deepam and offers the naivedya to the devatas, food along with dakshana. At the end, we light champa and show the arati for all the pada and the devata and the arati is passed to the client. Then the energized puja flowers are given to the priest and the client details are chanted again for Ashirvad and Ashirvad is done to the client. We do Ashirvad to the client directly or if he is not present we will take the Ashirvad in their photo. We always offer an Naivedyam which pleases the people who are sitting as a Devata and which are edible and we do give coconut betel leaves which are of no use to them. This is done so that their heart gets filled with joy and happiness and they do Pada Puja with joy. This is how Pada Puja is done by us. We simply follow the very same procedure for all the Pada Puja and if we are doing Pada Puja for 8 people and there are 2 Vatyar doing the Pada Puja, then we follow the same procedure for 4 times again. After the full Pada Puja is over, the priest will temporarily clear the place and make place for all the people to stand and do the group Ashirvad. We chant Sankalpa again and distribute the energized flowers to the Devatas and after the Sankalpa is taken, the priest will do the Ashirvad. Thank you for watching.